Hi, my name is Andrei Kovenko with New Element Training. In this brief video, we'll show yet another variation of a chest press. We'll do it in incline position. So this variation is a bit easier from the standard position, simply because when you put your torso above your feet, and the higher the torso, the easier it gets. So you might not be able to do a standard position or modified position where you use your knees, but you might be able to do this variation. So again, the muscles we're trying to target are pectorals, your chest muscles, your back of your arms, your triceps, and front part of your shoulder, your front delts. So this is the kind of anterior. This is the muscle group that involved in this pushing movement, like pushing our body against the gravity kind of movement. So before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Also, don't forget to press that bell notification button, so each time we make a new video, you get a notification right away. You don't miss any of our instructional educational videos. So the way we're gonna do this variation again, and this is a more modified, a little bit easier version from the ones that you do like in a standard kind of plank position. So you would get yourself in a position, put your feet, so find something that is about bench high, and the higher it is, the easier it gets. If this variation is still too heavy for you, you can just use the wall, and we will show that variation as well. So for now, we're gonna use kind of bench or so high. You can use a coffee table, as long as it's a nice and steady surface. You're gonna keep your core tight, and you're gonna slowly, by keeping your core tight, you're gonna slowly bring your chest towards the bench. Now pause and push it away. As I'm pushing away, I'm trying to squeeze my hands inwards. They won't move, but I'm trying. That helps me to maximize the intensity of my pectorals, or muscle of the chest. And I'm slowly coming down. Now, this variation is not as intense, so I'm not gonna go all the way to that state of failure. So instead, I will pretend that I might have, let's say this is the last one, right? So I'm gonna slowly come down. I'm shaking, I'm giving myself already kind of, 9, 10 out of 10 effort. I barely be able to control it while keeping the good form, sticking to that principle one, making sure it's about the muscle and not the movement. And then at this stage, I'm simply unable to finish the rep. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my knee, I'm gonna pull myself away. I'm gonna finish with that 30-second negative, as we discussed in our technique video, and why it is important. 5 seconds. 10 seconds. Halfway there. 10 seconds. Almost there. Keep your core tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and you're done. So when you're done, when you're feeling the targeted muscles, in this case our chest, our triceps, and you try to feel it as deeply as you can, keeping everything else relaxed and perfect. And you know that even if somebody would put a gun to your head, you're simply unable to finish, another couple inches in a good form. So then, we did enough work to satisfy our third training principle, which is training to monitor muscular failure, which will ensure the stimulus for adaptation. If you haven't watched the initial 3 videos that I describe overall concept, they're crucial. Make sure you watch them. One of them is about the 3 guardian training principles. Another one with technique. Another one is understanding your training frequency and program. So until then, you can go to our website, newelementtraining.com. You can also shoot us an email at info@newelementtraining.com if you have any questions, or just would like to book an online coaching session. Thank you.